After completing dusting, wiping, and trash, do a methodical final inspection and floor cleaning before you leave. Start by vacuuming all floors with a backpack vacuum to capture fine dust from carpets and crevices. Move slowly in overlapping passes and pay extra attention along baseboards and under furniture where hand tools miss. Next, mop hard floors beginning at the farthest point from the exit and work toward the door so you never walk on clean surfaces. Use a 2-bucket system or a clean microfiber pad and change water when it becomes cloudy to avoid streaks. While you mop, keep an eye out for scuff marks, sticky spots, or residue and spot clean them with an appropriate detergent diluted to manufacturer guidelines. After floors are done, do a targeted inspection at eye level for smudged glass, fingerprints on switches, or streaks on mirrors and polish them with a lint-free cloth and a small amount of cleaner applied to the cloth rather than the surface. Check upholstery and cushions for stray debris and reset furniture to its original placement using visible reference points like chair alignment to the rug or tabletop centering. Finally, run your hand across horizontal surfaces at waist height to feel for any missed dust and strike a balance between speed and thoroughness so you leave a finished space that looks professional. Common mistakes are skipping the backpack vacuum because it seems slower, which leaves fine dust in carpets and corners, so keep the vacuum in your standard tool set and train staff on slow overlapping passes. Another issue is mopping toward the exit or with dirty water, which just spreads grime, so adopt a consistent back-to-door pattern and swap out water or pads frequently. A third problem is neglecting a final hands-on inspection which misses spots that pass a visual scan, so make a checklist of tactile and visual checks and perform them as a final step before locking up. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project inspiration and practical advice that ties directly to completing a proper final clean. We have a discussion community where homeowners and contractors can share tips, ask questions, and find one another for upcoming jobs.